In 1899, a peculiar event unfolded in the bustling streets of Paris. A young inventor named Louis discovered a strange phenomenon while testing his new steam powered contraption. As the machine whirred to life, Louis was struck by an uncontrollable bout of hiccups. Intrigued, he delved into the mystery, uncovering that hiccups were caused by sudden diaphragm contractions. This revelation led him to theorize that the steam engine's vibrations mimicked this effect. Could it be that our bodies are more attuned to mechanical rhythms than we realize? Lewis's discovery sparked a wave of curiosity, forever linking hiccups to the age of steam.